Okay, so snagging list for our client. This needs to be looked at and made good. So clean it and redecorate. This really ideally should be painted. If not, at least put a latch on it or find a key because we don't want that tenants to hit themselves on the way in and out. I would suggest, actually recommend just painting. Oh, that's come off. So I made that good because there's actually a sharp nail here. So fit this back and maybe paint it white there as well, but certainly paint it inside white because you can see a big old wooden frame. All lights in the property need light switches. Certainly need light bulbs because we can't see around. I need to come back and take marketing pictures as well. So please can we have light bulbs throughout. That needs looking at. That should have been changed. Really. Okay, so kitchen. Door handle needs securing. The fridge is going there. This needs a deep clean. There's a panel missing there. I think there's a door missing there. That's the wrong size for it. This packaging needs to be removed. It's quite heavy, so really, the builder needs to come back, or whoever needs to come back, remove the packaging from it, because when a tenant uses it, that's just going to disintegrate. If needed, get a rubber mat and put it underneath. We can get one from Amazon. Really, that needs to be done properly. So maybe fit a proper spur down there, or maybe drill a hole through here, or something, make a gap or something, because that's really not safe. And then just to be clean, the paint work around here needs to be tidied up as well. There's a bit of a gap up there, which isn't great. The paint work there needs to be touched up. Obviously everything needs to be tested. All the packaging needs to be removed. I don't think this actually is fitted properly. This is a big gap, which is not helpful. Okay. Alright, Bob, right. Living room. Okay, so it really just needs deep clean. Around. That should be repainted. This fireplace wooden bit. That needs to be reattached. Everything needs to be clean. These radiators need a good clean. There's plaster, all of them, and upstairs there's paint. The paint work along there needs touching up as well. Obviously windows need cleaning, but otherwise this is fine. That obviously needs clearing out. Okay. That needs removing. And then painting and covering. This wiring needs cleaning up, and yeah. Okay, upstairs. The loft hatch needs fitting back in. Okay, light bulbs. All these radiators need to be tested as well. All these screws need to be removed because you can damage woodwork and flooring if they're not taken away properly. Okay, again, screws over there. That paint's not great. Bedroom. Again, test these radiators. That wiring needs to be looked at. We can't just leave it there because we're not sure what it is or if it works or not. That needs another coat of paint. Boiler probably just needs clearing out and making safe. We don't want tenants to be able to touch these wires, really. Okay. This toilet seat needs securing. All that needs to be removed. That's okay, that's going to put back, but that needs to be clean. Repainted properly. That silicone really just needs to be removed and then redone because you don't want to take the risk, especially along here. That shower needs to be tested. This is now overhanging, so when tenants shower, all the water's going to come out here, so that needs to be looked at and put back in properly. That needs a good clean. So what you've got to be careful is these nails. So this is lino. These nails, you've got to walk around, and if they're on the floor, to pick them up and put them somewhere safe, because what will happen is somebody will step on this at some point with their shoe, drag it along, and they'll rip this. There you go. They'll rip it, and then that will be really, really annoying, because then if it's not spotted, obviously it needs to be replaced, but if it's not spotted and water comes through, it'll leak, and that will present more of an issue. All right, hope that was helpful. See you.